Let's look at this question on length of an arc. An arc of a circle is 70.6 centimeter. If the angle sustained at the center by the arc is 72 degrees, calculate the radius of the circle. So we're going to calculate the radius of the circle. So to calculate the radius of the circle, we need to sketch the circle first. So we sketch a circle. This is how a circle is going to look like. So the center of the circle is our radius. This is our center. So we join it here. We join it here. So from here to here makes a radius. From here to here makes a radius. We don't know our radius. So an arc of a circle is 17.6 centimeter. So that's the arc of the circle, 17.6 centimeter. If the angle sustained at the center by the arc is 72 degrees. So the angle sustained at the center is 72 degrees. Calculate the radius of this circle. So the formula for length of the arc. So the formula for length of an arc, or length of the arc. The formula is simply theta over 360 times 2 pi r. That's our formula. 22 over 7 is our pi. So we're using 22 over 7 as our pi. So what we now do is our theta is 72 degrees. So we have 72 over 360 times our 2 pi. Our 2 times our pi is 22 over 7. Our radius we don't know. And the length of our arc is 17.6 from what we got. So we're going to multiply this by this, and this. So what we're going to get here, we're going to get 72 times this will give us 44 over 360 times 7. So 72 times 44 over 360 times 7 is going to give us, when you multiply this by this, you get 3,166. That's what you're going to get. So we multiply this by this, we're going to get 3,168. So 360 times 7 is going to give us 2,520. You can calculate this with your calculator. This times this will give you 3,168. This times this will give you 2,520. Let us see. 72 times 44. You have here as 8. You have here as 28. You have here as 8. You have here as 28. So that will give us 8, 16, 11. So that's how we got 3,168. If you multiply this by this, you will get 2,520. Now we're going to divide this by this. If you divide 3,168 over 2,520, this is wow. Everything will be equal to 7.6. So to divide this by this, you can divide this by this, or you cross multiply it. So if you're going to cross multiply, you have 7.6 times 2520 over 3168. That is it. So to get R. So our radius, when you multiply this by this divided by this, our radius will give us 14 centimeters. Thank you.